Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, we are doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, but actually it's a BoxyLuxe unboxing, and we're trying that again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, we're doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is actually a BoxyLuxe, which if you don't know what a BoxyLuxe is, it is a quarterly subscription and it is an upgrade to BoxyCharm. So you pay, I think it's a $25 additional a month, and you get a bigger box, more products, more value. I mean, it's obviously, it's worth it. And we're going to show you what I got in this month's box. So unlike the past BoxyCharm videos on my channel, I'm not going to be doing a try-on unboxing because, surprise, I have a full face of makeup on. And if you want to see how I got this look, then I'm going to go ahead and insert the video onto the screen so you can go ahead and go check that video out. Okay, so this, I have already opened this, by the way, and I've just gone through everything just to make sure that nothing was damaged, because a few months ago I did receive something that was damaged. So I like to go ahead and open everything up ahead of time just to make sure that it's all in tippity-top shape. So this month's theme is BoxyCharm Getaway, and this will just show me all the products and their retail price, which I love to know the retail price because at the end I love to calculate everything up and just know exactly how much value I'm getting in my box for what I'm paying. By the way, this plus taxes, I think it ended up being 58 and some change, but it is 100% worth it. All right, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I got in this box is this PYT Mini Turbo on-the-go dryer. So it is quite literally a mini on-the-go dryer. It is a mini hair blow dryer. So this is what it looks like. I haven't actually even turned it on yet. So you know what? Let's go ahead and do that anyway. This might be really, really loud because my mic is really close to me. So I'm warning you now, if you have headphones on or if the volume's all the way up, put it down because I'm turning this on because I want to know exactly how turbo it is. Okay, that's not bad at all. And it says it's turbo. Let's read what it says. It says your new PYT Mini Turbo on-the-go dryer is powerful, yes. Portable also, lightweight and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. And the retail price for this is $85. So this product itself is already not making up for, but it's already getting you your money's worth on what you paid for it, because this is $85 and what I paid plus tax was $58. So is it worth it? 100% yes. All right, let's move on to the next. Oh, wait a second. Also, it comes in this really cute little silk bag, and it brings different tips. So it brings this tip and it brings a diffuser, which we love. So yes, this is the first, and I think we're off to a good start. So just put these in a pile over here in this general area. So for the second thing in the box, it is this Aqua Earths Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminate Viso Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist Radiant Dew. So it says it's for all skin types, and then the back says shake well before use to activate the botanical extracts, holding the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face, close eyes, and so it can be used to set your makeup. Honestly, let's do it. Let's set my makeup with this. Let's just see how this sprays first. I don't want to. All right, that's a pretty good mist. Oh, that smells so good. It smells minty. I will say I did feel thick water droplets, so I don't know. Oh, yep. I don't know if it's the best mist to set your makeup with. Yep, definitely got thick water droplets, but oh my gosh, that smells so good. And it feels good on my skin too. I'm gonna try this out some more and then we'll get back to it and I'll tell you all how I feel about it. And if I use it in my channel sometime soon, it's probably because I really liked it. So that's the second product, and that retails for $35. And it is the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. I gave you all a whole lot more than what that name. Anyways, that name is way too long regardless, but anyways, that's fine. Now, the next product that we got in the box is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It's an instant lasting volume and texture spray. It's a styling and finishing spray. So I don't think this is a dry shampoo. I think it's a volume spray plus it's a volume blast and it's a styling spray. So I don't even know what exactly this will do to me. I love how I said that this isn't going to be, oh wow, that smells so good. How I said this isn't going to be a try on unboxing, and I've tried literally every single thing that's come out of the box. That smells so good. And I do feel like it made my hair, it gave my hair a little more like hold. So it's not like a dry shampoo. It almost feels like it's a texture spray. So if you've ever used those beach sprays that make your hair feel a little more like texturized and to hold in place, that's exactly what it feels like, except it doesn't smell like a beach spray. It smells so, it's like I have some residue on my hand. It smells so good. And this retails for $29. So we love that. Okay, so the next product in this box is this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. And this product retails for $58. Thicker than an oil, silkier than a moisturizer. That smells like Honey Nut Cheerios. It smells good though. I mean, I'm assuming it's meant to smell somewhat like honey because it's called Honeymoon Glow, and it's formulated with a 14% AHA, BHA, gentle flower acids blend. It says you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Okay, wow. I haven't even tried it out yet, but okay, the next product in the box is this Trestique. Let's hear what the card says. It is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This is an all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara. It gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. This retails for $25. So here it says flip down to curl. So you flip this forward and then you use this to press it. And so here, I'll show you what it does. It curls your lashes for you. And it's as if it were any other regular lash curler. And then you can close that up. You open it up. And now you have mascara on this side, which I think is just so cool. Also, this product is cruelty-free and vegan. So we love that. But I'm really definitely going to have to give this a try. I don't typically curl my lashes because I'm scared that all my lashes are just gonna fall off the second I take my lash curler off of my lashes. Although I have like 4, I don't use them, but we'll get there soon enough. I'll try with the mascara and then we'll build up to an actual lash curler. Like I said, that product retails for $25. So the next product in the box is this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. And this is in the shade Peach Tea. I wonder if these smell like anything. I feel like the name makes me feel like they smell like something. I mean, they smell good. Not like peach tea or lemonade, but I kind of want to put this over top my lip gloss. Let's see. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. I would even wear it with a lip liner, like a nude lip liner, and then wear this on top of that because I feel like the shade gives you enough range to do so. The next product is this Touch in Sol No Pore Blem Prime Essence. It's got calendula Wow. Officinalis flower extract. That word should not have been that hard to say. But also, it's like 2 in the morning, so got me some slack. This product retails for $23. I kind of want to try it on the back of my hand just to see exactly what this is like. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell a big difference between this primer and the other primer. This is much more like an oil, rather than the other one is more of a mineral pore filling primer. Although this is, I guess, meant to also fill in your pores, but that smells really, really great. And oh my gosh, that left my hand feeling so soft. So I guess this is just it's more of an oil and it's more liquidy, because if you'll notice, this one comes out fairly thick and it's not as oily as that one. So I'm excited to try that out. And for the last product in the box, it is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette. This product retails for $45. So this itself and the blow dryer, well, this kind of, but these two products are the most expensive products, I think. Yeah, I want to say that these are the 2 most expensive ones. Oh, and also the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Serum, Night Serum. You already got your money's worth with these products. So this is the volume 3. And it is a cheek palette. So it gives you 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. I say we go ahead and swatch all of these. So the 2 blushes, those are cute. I like that. One is so I think I swatched these on like the worst part of my hand. So this one on this side, let's see. That one right there is called Dance Floor. And the one next to it, which is the one right there, which has a more mauve undertone, is called Premiere. And then the 2 highlights, the first one, which it has more of a gold undertone, and this one has more of a pink undertone. So the first one is called, if I'm looking at this correctly, this one is the gold undertone is Headliner, and then the one with a more pink undertone is called a Lister. And then for the bronzers, let's go ahead and put those right next to that. So there is a matte bronzer, and then there's a shimmery bronzer. So those are a little more easily distinguished. So the matte bronzer is called Autograph, and the shimmery bronzer is called Backstage. And those I have right here. So that is Autograph and that is Backstage. Then those are the 2 highlights, and then the 2 blushes are over here, but I already wiped those off. And that's it for this week's video. So I hope that you liked this video. I really wanted to go ahead and crack into my BoxyLuxe, because I feel like I've had this conversation a lot with people about exactly what it is, the difference between BoxyLuxe and BoxyCharm, and I feel like this is the best way to explain it. BoxyLuxe just gives you a lot more product. And yeah, you obviously pay more, but it is definitely worth your money. I think what they aim for is for the value to be over $250, which I feel like we 100% surpassed, because the blow dryer itself is $85. So I definitely love all the products that came in this month's box. It is a quarterly subscription, so it happens every 3 months. So now that it happened in June, the last time it happened was in March. And the rest of this video got cut off, but I hope you enjoyed this month's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you can get a notification of every new video that I post, and I will see you all next week. Bye, everybody.